So I'm going to give you guys a rundown on what my supercharger kit consists of before I install it. I finally have all the parts. I've had all the parts, I've just been procrastinating. Only thing I was waiting on was the ECU, which that came a week ago. First off, it's a TTS kit. TTS is a company out of the UK, and what I like about their kit is they use the Rotrex supercharger. So I'm going to show you that in a second. There's a company called Craftworks. They also use the Rotrex supercharger, but their kits, they like to give issues. If you Google S2000 Rotrex problems, you'll see what I'm talking about. They break. I don't got time for that. I avoided that, went with TTS. So I got this kit used from a friend. He did a lot of minor modifications to make this kit better than what it already was. So I'm going to explain a lot of that also. Let's get started with the supercharger. This supercharger, Rotrex, I had it sent out to the UK again. You know, it came from the UK, but it went back. So I'm going to show you the sticker. And there's a company in the UK called UK Supercharger Repairs. Shout out to him because he's one person, I think. And what he does is he upgrades the impellers. So see that thing right there? Let me show you. See this? That thing right there that I'm not supposed to spin, that I just spun? He upgrades those. So I'm going to show you the original one. This is the one that came in it. And I sent this to him and he upgraded it. So now I'm going to make 4 more pounds of boost with this upgraded one. So that's one of the first modifications. I actually did that. My friend didn't do that. But he's the one who told me about it. See what I mean? He likes to tweak things and make them better. You can see the pulley here. This is not the pulley that I'm going to be using. So here's another upgrade. I have a Grip Tech pulley, and I think this is a 1 of 1. So this is the original pulley. You see it's very smooth here. This Grip Tech pulley, my friend reached out to Grip Tech and he had them custom make this to fit a Rotrex, because I don't think they make pulleys for Rotrexes. So that's why I say I think this is 1 of 1. I have the adapter plate to make it fit. So let me show you what's special about it. Ooh. So if you look, you can see this has like a coating. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if it's a coating or if it's like serrated, but it's very grippy. Hence the name Grip Tech. So the original one is very slippery, so your belt will slip. So we don't want that. We want the belt to grip it. Pause if needed. But yeah, so I had this pulley made, and it's gonna prevent slippage. What's next? Let's go to the intercooler. So this intercooler right here, again, my friend, he likes to modify things. So this is not the intercooler that came with the kit. This intercooler started out as just a core, and he figured out what size end tanks it needed, and then I had one of my friends, Sean, ESG Fab, weld it together. So he put the end tanks on for me. So this is a pretty big intercooler, a nice size core. It's a Garrett core. That's why it says Garrett on the back, to protect. You know, I had to cut out the box to protect it. So this intercooler, like I said, was kind of custom made. It's pretty big, and it has perfect fitment on the S2000. So I have some brackets that go here, and it's gonna literally fit perfectly in the front of my car. Intercooler piping, nice size piping. Pause if needed. Again, I got some childish friends, so I gotta throw the pauses in there. Yeah, intake 3 inches. You know, bypass valve. This is gonna get deleted. I want to hear some noise, so this is a forged bypass valve. What's this? A little meth bung. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. But yeah, that's the intercooler piping. What's next? I got an upgraded radiator. I don't want to take this out of the box, but this is an upgraded I'm gonna take it out of the box. So this is a Yonaka radiator and fan. They sent me a shirt with it too. That's cool. Hold on. Stickers. Stickers in a lanyard. Cool. That's cool. All right. So this radiator came with fans. Ooh, I know that's probably loud. It's an upgraded radiator, and it came with the fans. See? So I'm gonna have to wire. You know, I already got the plugs and everything. I'm gonna have to cut these and add the plugs and everything so that it's plug and play in my car. But upgraded, gonna need the cooling. So see that. Let's put this back. Should be giving you guys pricing, huh? And let you know how much everything costs too. Next, fuel pump. So this is an AEM 340 E85 friendly fuel pump in here. I don't know if you can see the green, you know, it's E85 friendly right there. So that's the fuel pump. This is gonna go drop right in the tank, and the fuel pump is gonna run to, here we go, another modification. It's gonna run to a surge tank. To remove the evap system and put a surge tank there instead. So that fuel pump is gonna fuel this surge tank. I'm gonna have to hardwire this. Yeah, I'm gonna run these steel braided fuel lines. Let's go to the fuel rail now. So we have a Radium fuel rail. Radium makes some really nice parts. So this is a Radium fuel rail. Very nice. Another sticker, 2 stickers, and here's my E85 fuel sensor because I'm going to be running flex fuel. So also a Radium split rail adapter. Split flow adapter, sorry. So what this does, this adapter is gonna house this sensor. What's next? Injectors. Injector Dynamics 1700 injectors. You're gonna need some big injectors to run all that E85. So we got that here. Shout out to Sonic because I got these from him. So many little things. The pigtails, the adapters for the injectors. This is a lot of little stuff, but hold on, I got some more. I got brand new valve cover, straight from Japan. Cerakoted coil pack cover. Looks nice. I wanted it silver, but they did black by mistake. It's whatever. But yeah, nice brand new valve cover because the one in the car is very ugly and the paint is stripping. This ain't really a part of the supercharger kit. Here is the crank pulley for the supercharger, you know. So this is the OEM pulley, and then this is what's gonna power the supercharger. This is what's gonna drive the supercharger. So this gets added. ECU. I am using a Link G4X ECU expansion loom. This is gonna be for the flex fuel sensor. So I needed this. But this ECU, let me show you the G4X. Looks nice, right? This is a very, very nicely packed quality part. Big shout out to Link G4X. Shout out to Jimmy Oaks. He's the one that I ordered this from. So this is nice. I don't feel like pulling this out right now, but that's that. Very, very nice. Right, so I have a whole bin of things here. So I'm just going to be grabbing stuff and explaining. More Radium parts. Fuel pressure regulator by Radium. Hopefully I didn't damage it. Such good quality. Look at this. Look at this. This nice build. But this is the fuel pressure regulator. This is so nice. Radium makes really nice parts. This right here is a upgraded cooler for the supercharger. So, like I said, my friend, he likes to upgrade things. This is not the cooler that came with the supercharger kit, but a much nicer oil cooler for the supercharger. It has a lot of rows. It's very thick. Good stuff. And all that will be AN fittings. Steel braided line. Ouch. I'm going to have to cut and customize and make it, you know, the proper lengths. But yeah. Oil cooler for the supercharger. Real nice. The reservoir for the supercharger oil. Had it, again, my friend likes to make things really nice. So he had it Cerakoted in this bright silver. Same silver that the supercharger was done in, and all AN fittings. So that's that. Filter for the supercharger oil, upgraded again. This is not what came with it. AN fittings. The bracket that houses everything that supercharger goes on. Again, Cerakoted, bright silver. And all the pulleys that go with it, all that stuff here. All the brackets were Cerakoted, nice bright silver. Shout out to Kyle. He's the one that I bought it from, and he's the one that had all of this done. Everything Cerakoted. You're not even gonna see a lot of these parts, but they are Cerakoted and they look nice. What else we got? Super expensive Rochex oil. I think it's like $100 a bottle for this. What else? I think that is everything. So that's what this kit consists of. So all of this stuff that you see here is just gonna come together inside my S2000's engine bay, and it's gonna make some power. Hopefully I make at least 500 horsepower. That's what I want to make. That's what I'm shooting for. Gonna be running flex fuel, so hopefully E85 gets me there. I hope E85 gets me to like 600, honestly, but we'll see. We'll see, because I got a lot of work. I wouldn't even say a lot of work. A little. It's a lot of work. I got a lot of work to do. So yeah, I'm gonna procrastinate some more, edit this video, not install nothing, just put all this back to where it was, and probably get started on this in like a week or so.